And today I'm here at Luraco Technologies, also in Dallas, Texas, and we're visiting the makers of the iRobotics 6 massage chair. They have a 40,000 square foot facility here in Arlington, and we're going to spend the day with them and learn some neat things about how they put together and make and manufacture this iRobotics 6 chair. See you on the inside. Okay, so here we are at Luraco's. Now, what this is the assembly, the manufacturing component?
Yes.
This is where you put everything together?
Yes.
Wow.
This is some of the keypads we have ready to test.
So you manufacture them here and you test them here?
Yes.
So,
and here's the tester we were telling you about. I'll let you run this one.
Yeah. So what we do is put the PCB on this tester setup.
okay.
And this is the tester board which actually tests this PCB for us and displays the results on the computer.
Okay.
We just put in this PCB, click check PCB, and it runs the test.
The test is being run right now?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay, there you go.
And it will display our results on the screen, and it says pass. It says expected values, measured values. If it all fails, it'll tell us where it failed and why.
So this is all done prior to every chair being sent out?
Yes. And this is done prior to putting these keypads in the plastic housing.
Cool. Okay, that's
we
neat.
also check the buttons, so they can go through each button, and they can.
Is that
see.
manually done, or is there?
This is manually.
Okay, everything's done manually.
Button check because you want to make sure all the buttons press correctly.
I see. Okay. All right.
Has data saved in the database. Yeah. You know.
Okay.
This is the testing for the actual.
This is the
Motherboard for the massage chairs. Okay. Wow.
So this one's huge, and the test report for this one is pretty lengthy.
Yes. Okay. And there was over 40. Didn't you say there was 30 or 40
Yes.
different things that are tested on the motherboard, right?
There are 39.
39.
So
Wow.
go through each and every. Start.
Checking all
It
the
will check
relays,
through all the components, electronic
Wow.
components, the relays. You can hear the relays clicking.
Oh, that's what's going on right now?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, all the relay.
Oh, interesting. That's all done automatically. Wow, fascinating.
And it's connected to this tester board, which talks to the computer and
Data.
displays
And it
results.
tells you.
If it passes, it says pass. If it fails, it says fails.
When it failed, and if any test failed, it will display fail.
It will display
with the-
which one
Okay.
failed. And the assembly people, they have been trained enough that if one of the relays failed, they know which relay has been failed. And
Okay.
they can change it and put the
Fix
new
it
one.
right there.
Fix it
And
right
again, this is done before every chair is sent out. Everything's
Exactly.
tested.
Before I put in the chair, actually.
Yeah, before put in the chair,
put in
yes.
the chair. So we don't want to put the ball in the chair and then it fell, then we have to take it out.
Take
the
it out
whole
again,
thing.
start all over again.
Yeah, this is one of our cable testers.
Okay,
We don't have any of the. We don't have any cables out here right now.
okay,
But it gives you a simple red or green indicator.
okay. Great.
And you see here this production for the.
These are all the
salon
components?
Yeah.
This is for the salon.
These are for salon. You can explore that now.
Oh, I see. So are those being tested right now?
Yes. Did we do a burn-in test on everything?
Oh, okay, great. So this is the frame of the salon chairs.
Yes.
Wow, that is great. You don't very often get to see the inside workings of a chair like that. That's pretty nifty. Oh, it's kneading. Looks like it's kneading something. So these are all the spa chairs. These are very simple chairs compared to the iRobotics 6S, right?
And then we have our newest version that we're coming out with. It's going to a metal frame.
What was the frame before?
Oh, here, you can see that.
Older frame? Yeah, it was plastic.
Oh.
Now we've gone to all metal.
Oh, I see. So plastic to all metal. And the purpose of that is just to withstand all the...
Because these are used every day, all day in the salons.
Okay. So that's just built to increase the longevity of the chair.
Right. Let's go to production motherboard and
Okay, yeah, and we'll go.
and then we come back to
Yeah, we'll
testing.
come back.
Okay, so where are we here?
PCB,
No,
the PCB assembly.
Oh, I see.
So she's putting
Oh, so you, oh, I see.
screens on
Oh,
these PCBs.
Okay.
They come made from the SMT machines, so all the
so the screen is imported, but the PCB that works behind it is all done here. Oh, I see. Okay. So
all
she
these
attaches.
small components have been assembled by that machine over there.
The fellow in the red shirt.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Oh.
he brings that, and she goes through and does all the
Soldering?
soldering for the big parts. And if at
Wow.
all there's part missing, she can go and put that part in. And then this goes through the testing station. If it passes, then she puts it in the housing,
Okay. With the new plastic strip.
the new plastic strip.
Thanks to the static of the dry Utah climate, we figured that out, or you figured that out. And you have to have good eyeballs to do this,
Oh
huh?
yes, she has the best eyes.
Yeah, she's been doing this for many years.
Really? Wow, my goodness. And then these are all assembled,
These are the screens.
those are the screens. Okay. And then that's what she's
That's
soldering
what
on
she's
right now.
soldering on.
Okay.
And as we said, they can place all of these components.
Wow.
Yeah, these are through-hole component. So through-hole component
Yes,
must be
yes.
assembled all by hand.
Yeah,
All
they-
by hand.
By hand.
Yeah, these aren't soldered yet.
And what is this? What is it? What are these boards for?
This
It's
is
for the
motherboard.
Motherboard.
for the massage chair.
Yes.
The one that we saw over there, you had them out.
And this is the keypad.
The
And
keypad.
you see,
Okay.
for the keypad, the components need to be small to make the keypad small.
Right.
These components, they are called SMD. They are surface
my
bound.
goodness.
They are not through holes. And these are through holes, and they go all the way inside out,
And then they're
they-
soldered underneath.
Yeah.
soldered underneath. And
With
for
that-
these, we need that machine.
Yeah, you can see
And then this machine creates those.
this machine is liquid lead. or-
Oh, that's what's soldering underneath.
yes.
I see. Okay. Oh wow. So that's the oh my goodness, that is
Yeah, it's-
cool.
It's 278 degrees Celsius.
And that's that's the
See
solder
all
job
these
done
Solder job done.
Yes.
by that machine. Wow, that is amazing.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So a quick pass will solder all of them.
Oh, that is great. Okay, interesting.
This machine is for transformer connectors, installation. So in a massage chair, we have many transformers. We need to put connectors on, and this machine
Hope that this, I didn't.
crimper
Yeah, I didn't.
automatic.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So this
Oh, I see.
cable goes into the crimpers from here, and this machine will kind of
Connect it all
press it.
together.
all together.
Crimp it.
And then this can go into the PC board. PCB
Okay,
board.
that's done in another step, or is that also done here?
That's done in another step. I mean, usually they don't do it one by one. They do it like 200, 300 transformers all
At
together.
a time.
And then they can use all together.
Okay. So this is the actual board assembly.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, this will be cool to see this. So
Yeah, he actually just finished.
Finished one.
He just finished one, so we can watch him. He's gonna paint it.
Actually, it's already finished.
Oh, he paints it with solder.
Yeah. Marco, can I? See. This,
so all these components were put on by this
by that machine.
this machine.
Pick and
Wow. Okay, so we're doing a new one here then, eh?
Yeah. You will
Now
see
when you say it's painted, what does that mean? It does this?
the solder.
I'll show you in a little bit when he runs it.
Okay. So he attaches them one by one. Okay.
Probably will. And he opens it up.
First it checks for the position, aligns itself up, changes the nozzle.
Oh my heavens, that's amazing.
Change nozzle again.
Oh wow, so every component gets a,
Some of these
Oh my
components are
heavens.
very small, they cannot be seen through eyes. So
unbelievable. That is amazing. And it just adds it just like that.
Yeah.
And then they go over there and the lead is put underneath to solder it, right?
We have an oven that actually here.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
I told you, it's kind of
I've never seen anything like this before.
mesmerizing to watch.
It is. Oh my heavens. How long does it take to do one board?
Five.
That's it, eh? Oh my goodness, that's amazing. I've never seen anything like that before. Right on, okay, so
You see all the chips are back there.
yes.
We'll go and pick up the chips.
I think it'll come.
Oh,
Yeah,
it goes back there eventually?
Yeah.
The chip section.
These chips.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Then where do you get all these coils of things?
Distributor here in Dallas called Mauser Electronics.
Really? So even they're created here.
Yes.
Well, the electronics, you know,
They are distributors for electronics.
yeah.
Boy, that is amazing. That's impressive.
All this is through air suction. It pulls through the air.
The exactness with which this
Yeah.
has to be programmed is mind-boggling.
It takes me a little while to program it all.
You do that, eh? You program where everything goes and
Yes.
where you... Oh my heavens.
Since we designed this PCB board, we know the exact location as to where, so the programming gets a little easier for us.
But it's like micrometers.
Yes.
Like it's that small of a...
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and you can actually watch the screen.
Yeah.
What's on the screen? It's showing...
There's a camera on that behind
Oh.
that nozzle. So when it picks up parts, it's actually
Oh, I
grabbing
see.
the images.
So it's enlarging what it's actually doing so you can see exactly... Oh my.
For these small parts, there is no polarity issues, but for some of these ICs, there is a polarity. There is a particular way they can be placed. If you place them reverse, it will not work.
Wow.
So that time the camera is important.
Okay.
It has to check the polarity. It has to check the
Oh my.
pin.
Oh, now it's going over there.
Yeah, and you can see it auto align.
Yeah. You see.
Oh, that is amazing. Oh man.
Yep. Because we are opening this. Yeah.
Okay, well, we better...
Imaging just needs to make it.
Yeah, we're gonna mess up that board right there.
No, don't take this. This one's a
That
cool.
big chip. You see.
So you see that dot?
Yeah?
That tells it which is the polarity.
Oh, I see.
That dot
Okay.
is very important.
Wow. Fantastic.
And it, all the resistors, everything.
Through this.
So this is the...
liquid solder, the paste, the solder paste.
Okay.
So he puts them. This is the stencil.
Okay.
This one down. So you see all the joints are now open. This is the stencil.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And he can run it through the paste.
That is it?
That is it.
Wow, that is something.
Okay. And open it.
See, it applies solder where we need it.
Oh, for heaven's sakes. That is
All these
cool. Very
joints.
simple, but so cool. Wow.
Then it goes through the machine.
Yeah.
And
And then after that, the
that, it
solder
goes
is
to the oven.
oven to lead, painted lead on the bottom.
Yes. So this is an oven. It's still working, but when it comes out, you'll have something like this.
Okay.
Yeah,
So everything's kind of glued on now.
Yeah, it takes this kind of liquid state and turns it into the
Turns it
shiny.
into that shinier.
Oh, I see. And all the little holes there, all the circular holes. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. Those little holes are circular.
Yes.
On here, now they're flat. They're flattened and filled in. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Boy, that is pretty cool.
Testing a 220 chair right there.
Oh, for Europe?
Yes.
Wow. So this is testing of the chairs.
This is the assembly.
This assembly testing's back over there.
Oh, it's okay. So this is where the chairs were assembled.
Yes.
Wow.
This one, there's a motherboard yet, you see, but this one already they put on the motherboard.
They're putting all the connectors and everything on the chair.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
that's
connect.
tedious work. Oh, my heavens. That's amazing.
And you can see when we get the chair, we unbox it and take it apart, and then fully assemble it.
Okay. So they come as a frame. They come as a frame.
Nothing in it.
So the ottoman and the chair body it all comes from China, and then you do all the guts.
Put in everything.
Okay. So there's the chair back, right? And wow, and the ottomans and the body of the chair, the base of the chair. Very cool. So this is the testing.
Testing.
Oh, sorry, assembly. Now we're going to go to testing. And so these are all the components that have come.
Yeah.
Okay. So every one of those has to be assembled.
Yeah, and you can see we have various pieces of heavy machinery to
Metal part.
rework metal.
Okay.
Fabrication.